Hello friends, in this tutorial I am showing you how to make mehandi paste. Now I am making water for this henna paste. I have taken half cup water and 2 spoons of tea leaf. Let it boil for around 5 minutes and then switch off the flame. Now we will sieve mehandi or henna. For this I am using this dupatta or scarf, and then we'll tie it like this. It is like this, and then sieve mehandi. And after sieving mehandi, we'll wash dupatta, so there will be no stain left on the dupatta. Friends, very essential to sieve the mehandi or henna before making paste. Otherwise there will be lumps in the henna, and there will be no free flow of mehndi. See, this is the leftover after I sieve the mehndi, and this. Now we will make mehandi paste. So first I will put lemon juice. That is 1 lemon juice I extracted earlier, and this is 1 teaspoon of sugar, adding all tea water which we made earlier. The henna paste is ready. This will keep aside for 2 hours.